Hey there, folks. All right. This is gonna be part one. This is a quick opening. Got a kit from Bob over at Scale Model Works. So he 3D printed this kit, and he sent it out to a couple of us to kind of do a review on. And so I'll be doing a build video on this, but this is just the unboxing here. So I don't know if you can scan that QR code, but I'll also put a link in the description to Bob's channel and how you can get yourself one of these kits if you'd like. But all right, cool. Nice little coaster there, eh? Let's see what else we got in here. All right, some more decals for the decal wall. It's cool. All right, and there's his card. So we got that there, eh? All right, so let's take a look at what's in this kit. So again, this is a ice house or ice house kit. Let's see if I can find a picture, I'll pop up a picture, eh? But it's pretty cool. It's a self-serve ice machine. It's very popular, I believe. I think people come from all around to go to it. I saw one video. When you put your money in to get it, it plays that song by Vanilla Ice, Ice Ice Baby, something like that, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so we got some decals here that'll go on the kit. And then some more signage. Oh, this is cool. This is, you'll fold this, and this is the a canopy for it. So yeah, let's see what's in the kit there. But like I said, Bob 3D prints these and sells them as a kit. So you got a lot of neat parts in here. Oh look, Silicon Pack, the opposite of Boveda Pack. Boveda Pack, you see my cigar videos, it's adds humidity and moisture. This takes it away. So this is a nice touch. So one other kit maker that does that. That's a great idea. And so we got some parts here. We got some rough parts. We got that. That's cool. So yeah, I haven't assembled a 3D printed kit yet, so this is gonna be pretty interesting. So we got the base here, and it looks like everything will just glue into place. Yep. Oh, it's nice. See, it's all indexed. Now, the instructions, when you purchase the kit, you can, on the site here, you download the instructions, which I think is cool. A lot of other manufacturers are starting to do that. Rather than including it in the kit, you can download it, or you can request a copy, but, excuse me, if you don't have a printer, but it's, this looks like a pretty basic kit, so this is awesome. So, alright, like I said, this is part one. I just wanted to kind of show what was in there. So you got the decals for that. Alright, cool. Cool. So, alright folks, stay tuned for part two of putting this thing together, eh? So remember, until next time, be kind.